Gusto kong mag-franchise pero hindi ko alam kung paano. Top 10 things that you should know before kayo mag-franchise dito sa Pilipinas. Number 5, location is the key. Diyan nakasalalay lahat sa location mo. Ang lugar mo ba ay matao? Andun ba ang target market mo? Kailangan maganda ang location ng isang franchise business. Based on my experience, ang naghahanap ng location talaga, we give the right to choose the location to the franchisee. Bakit? Kasi mas kabisado niya yung lugar. The franchisee will justify those 3 aspects of feasibility study to the franchisor. Ganun po ang paraan. Ang importante, yung foot traffic and target market compatibility nandoon sa location na yun. Question ay, does the franchisor provide the support in finding a strategic location? Yes. Tinutulungan namin sila. Kasi yun yung purpose ng pagkuha ng franchising, to assist you to achieve the success in your franchise business. Paano mo malalaman kung red flag? Go lang ng go yung franchise. Grab lang ng grab ng franchise fee. Very red flag yun, guys, okay? Hindi ako nagbibiro. Pag gano'n ang franchisor, hindi ka binibigyan ng pros and cons every location na pinrepresent mo, mag-alala ka na po. Thank you so much. Follow me on my social media page. Click the subscribe button below. Magtulungan tayo so that we will be the next future success stories. Thank you. Bye.